Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Often the question comes up, how do you handle custody case but do it amicably? That's a loaded question because really, when you fight about stuff, oftentimes people can arrive at a peaceful, amicable solution to their dispute. When you talk about custody and you talk about your children, that's often a place where the parties have challenges in terms of coming up with an amicable resolution. So how do you handle a case amicably? Well, number one, the first place is to start out with, you've got to start out with the notion that both parties are suitable to be the custodial parent. Neither party has any significant challenges that the other party can lodge to their suitability to be a custodial parent, and therefore we're operating from the same place. Now that we're operating from the same place, how do we figure it out? Well, you've got to figure it out by saying, look, whatever good for me should be good for you. If I'm going to come in there and I'm going to say we're both suitable, but I want 25 overnights a month to your 5, I want that level of custody. That person's got to be able to say, well, you know what? If you think that's fair, then it should be fair to the other parent. So if you want 25, how would you like it if the court gave the other parent 25 to your 5 nights? You wouldn't like that, would you? So that's not a fair place to be. That's not an amicable way to handle the custody of your kid. Let's start out with a situation where in 30 overnights, you got 15 and I got 15. That's equal. I got 1 week, then you got 1 week. That's going to be completely equal. 4 days, 3 days, 3 days, 4 days, that's going to be completely equal. So if you have a situation where you both can agree that you want to parent your kids equally, then once you start out there, it's a lot easier to figure out the days, because the truth is, even if it's not 100% equal in terms of the amount, the overall influence and the workability of the situation becomes equal. So then it doesn't matter if you get 3 days and I get 4, or I get 4 and you get 3. You know what? I got extra day this week, I'm going to give you an extra one next week. Or if I had, the child more recently for more time than you because of scheduling, whatever, I'm going to make it up to you. That's how you approach things amicably. If you approach things with the understanding that it's got to be as fair as it can humanly be, possibly it can be. There's 7 days in a week. Somebody's going to get 4, someone's going to get 3. I mean, there's no other way around it. But if you approach it with the idea of whatever you're missing, I'm going to make up to you, that's how you handle custody in an amicable way. The moment one person starts saying, well, I deserve more than you, at that point, we're no longer more amicable. We have to approach it from the beginning, and we have to lay the foundation that both are equally entitled. Then custody can be approached in an amicable way. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.